time on things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem